Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for a vacation in the Southwest Airlines application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the three lines at the top of the page on the left. And then scroll down a bit and click on the vacations button. And then click on the book a vacation button. So here you can set if you want to search for flight plus hotel or flight plus car, or any activities. So just click on the one that you want to search for, and then just select your destination, and then set the departure and then the return date as well, and then set the number of adults and children traveling with you, and then just click on the search button. And as you can see, you will be able to see all the activities and fun stuff that this application found you for those dates. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.